Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making some conkie. In this bowl I have 1 cup of grated coconut, fresh grated coconut, 1 cup of sugar, I have the cinnamon, I have 1 cup of carn, I have grated nutmeg and black pepper, I have some raisin and the butter, and this is the pumpkin that I'm gonna grate. Okay, I'm going to use the coarse side of the grater, this part, and grate it. So stay tuned. So after finish grating the red pumpkin, as you can see, I'm going to add all into one bowl and mix it. So first I'm going to add the pumpkin along with the coconut and the corn flour. So I'm going to add the corn flour, alright, the coconut, the pumpkin. I'm going to combine it all together. Then I'm going to add the butter, and we're going to do this. I want this to be nice, rich, alright. The butter and the black pepper, the nutmeg, and the almond essence I'm going to be adding to this. Alright, and again I must let you know that everything that I use I will be listing in the description bar down below. Okay, so this is the almond essence. So I'm going to add 1 cup full of essence. I'm gonna add combine the sugar, butter and everything, black pepper together. Alright, so the next step now is when you finish mixing everything, the next step is to the banana leaf, which I'm going to show you guys. Here are the banana leaf that I purchased from the regular supermarket. It's come in a pack, and this is from Goya. Alright, so what I'm going to do is get a paper towel and I'm going to wipe it off, and then I'm going to pass it over the heat. So stay tuned. So you have to take the wet paper towel and you wipe it along the string, the way how the vein run. If you rub it up like this, you tear it, so you have to rub it this way. Do just the same way as the string run, and look how dirty it is. That's why you gotta make sure that you clean it first before you use it. Okay. So this is the fire, and this is how we're gonna pass it over the fire like this. You aren't burning it, you just want it to get soft. Alright, so you see the sheen after you finish passing the heat over it. So now we're going to start wrapping. So now I'm going to add this 1 tablespoon into the leaf like this. And then I'm gonna fold it like this. And these leaves are very, very slender. When you get them fresh, it's better. But as we all know, when younger mom, they are so granny. Turn it over like this. Over like this. And then I'm gonna tie it. Alright, I'm gonna put it into the pot and let it boil. This is the water boiling. Okay, so I'm gonna let it boil for 45 minutes. Okay, this is the conkie boiling now. It's gonna boil for like an hour. Okay, but So let me explain. The reason for seeing this aluminum foil is because the banana leaf have holes in it, and while wrapping it, I seen it like oozing. So what I did is wrap it with the banana leaf and yet still use the foil to keep it together. Okay, so after finish boiling this is what it look like. As you can see, it's still in the banana leaf, but this is what I was trying to explain to you guys, right? The banana leaf comes in a pack from whatever country, and it have a lot of like fine holes in it. So when I wrapped it, it was oozing out. So in order to keep it together, even though I wrap it in this banana leaf, I had to still use the file to wrap it so I can boil it so it wouldn't, you know, run out, and instead of being in the pack, it will be in the whatever I using to boil it in. So I'm sorry about that, but then this is a good way again, right? So all right, so this is it, and let me cut it and show you guys inside. Whew. See this, soft and moist. Bring it more close. All right, and I'm gonna taste it and let you guys see. Yeah. Oh gosh. Nice, soft and moist. Oh my gosh, I can't explain it even better. I wish you guys can taste it. Try it the way I do. I'm gonna leave all the measurements in the description bar down below. Alright, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share. Thanks for your support. See you in the next one. Bye bye. And again, we must be able to look out for each other because COVID is real. Alright? COVID is real. Stay blessed and safe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.